We seemed to have crashed into a real-life Tomb Raider's notes. But that day, we weren't even sure we could find it. Rain had been falling all day, and the mountain was eerily quiet.
Wang Mountain sits in Xingwen County, Yibin, Sichuan. Hidden deep within its slopes lies its legendary cave, Feiwu Cave. All day, all we could hear were raindrops falling from the bamboo leaves and the distant roar of waterfalls. The trail was empty. After a while, we even started doubting ourselves. Had we already missed it? The rain blurred everything, and it felt like we were wandering into an exploration with no end in sight.
Then, around the bend, we saw it, a faint shadow beneath the rock wall. A steep, damp stone staircase, almost staring us to descend. We stepped down, and then the view opened up. It was like nothing on earth. Water dripped from the cave ceiling above. Beneath our feet lay rock shaped over millions of years. Time itself seemed carved into the layers of stone. Water echoed through the cavern, and the stone path stretched deeper into the shadows.
We followed the sound of rushing water, and then suddenly, the view opened up again. The Feiwu Cave waterfall crashing down from the top of the cavern. Mist hung in the air, softening the walls, turning everything into a dreamlike haze. We didn't speak. There was no need. Maybe exploration has never been about finding answers. What draws you in is the echo in the dark, the uncertain step beneath your feet, the strange thrill when the path ahead is hidden. We weren't chasing the destination. We were chasing the pull of the unknown. Stay curious, stay kind. See you next time.